सोचा था क्लास 10 के बाद कॉमर्स ले लूंगा तो लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी, ना ही मैथ्स और साइंस पढ़ने का ये झंझट और ना ही देर तक ये डिवोटेड स्टडीज करने का प्रॉब्लम। नए सब्जेक्ट्स रहेंगे, धीरे धीरे पढ़ेंगे, सारी चीजें आराम से क्लियर हो जाएंगी। पर क्या मालूम था ये कमबख्त अकाउंट्स इतना परेशान करेगा। ये डेबिट क्या है, क्रेडिट क्या है, डुअल एस्पेक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट हमेशा टीचर्स बोलते रहते हैं। बोलते हैं बिजनेस की अपनी एक अलग पहचान है, ओनर कुछ और है। कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता एसेट लाइबिलिटीज क्या होते हैं। ऊपर से घर वालों के 100 ताने कि स्कूल फीस दे रहे हैं, ट्यूशन फीस दे रहे हैं और फिर भी रिजल्ट जीरो। पता नहीं इस ढंग से मुझे ढंग का कॉलेज भी मिलेगा कि नहीं। व्हाट शुड आई डू। Jai Hind guys, my name is Shubhanshu Maurya. Are you all too facing such similar problems? Don't worry, I am there to provide assistance to you all. I am an empathetic teacher with an experience of more than 5 years, aiming to support all the class 11th and 12th commerce students who face difficulties pertaining to this particular subject. Trust me guys, within the entire course of my pedagogical experience, I've seen many students facing difficulty in accountancy. But you all don't have to worry. I'm there, willing to contribute maximum of my knowledge to help you all become an accomplished virtuoso in this subject. So in this course, I've tried to cover each and every fundamental concept that is significant for you all to understand how to pass journal entries. By the end of this course, you all would be able to pass journal entries for any transactions given to you all. I've tried to cover each and every important accounting principles, understanding of which is very relevant for understanding journal entries. What are rules of debit and credit? What are the different natures and types of accounts that are maintained? And each and every important aspects with reference to this chapter. Scoring good marks in class 12th helped me to get admissions into University of Delhi. I myself have adopted these same strategies that I am going to further discuss with you all in my further courses. These strategies not only help me to score good in class 12th, but they also help me in scoring full in 2 of my graduation subjects. You all can be successful too. So embark on this exciting journey along with me. Thank you.